Welcome to Hybus News. My name is Suresh Kochatal. The new COVID vaccine being developed by Pfizer and BioNTech would begin to be delivered at the end of this year or beginning of next year if everything continued to go well, one of its creators said on Sunday. Last week, the BioNTech and co-developers Pfizer has said that the preliminary analysis showed that the vaccine could prevent more than 90% of the people from getting COVID-19. About 43,000 people took part in the test. Professor Ugur Sahin, co-founder and CEO of BioNTech, told the BBC that the goal was to deliver more than 300 million doses worldwide by next April, which could allow it to start only make an impact. He said that the bigger impact would happen later, adding that the summer will help us because the infection rate will go down in the summer, and what is absolutely essential is that we get a high vaccination rate until or before the autumn or winter of next year. If everything continued to go well, he said, the vaccine would begin to be delivered at the end of this year, beginning of next year. Sahin said he was confident that the vaccine would reduce transmission between people as well as stop the symptoms developing in someone who has had the vaccine. It was possible, he said, that the vaccine could halve the transmission, which would have a big impact. He said, I'm very confident that the transmission between people will be reduced by such a highly effective vaccine. May not be 90%, but maybe percent, we should not forget. That even could result in a dramatic reduction in the pandemic spread, he added. He said that the winter would be hard, as a vaccine would not have big impact in terms of infection number. Globally, the cases have shot really through the roof, and now even countries like United States and Europe are reporting more. The highly contagious disease, which emerged first in the central Chinese city of Wuhan, has killed more than 13,000 people. The US is by far the worst hit nation with more than a crore of cases, and that itself is a huge number, and 2,45,600 deaths, according to the latest figures from Johns Hopkins University. The United Kingdom is expected to get about 10 million doses of the BioNTech Pfizer vaccine by the end of this year, with a further 30 million doses already ordered. The jab, which is trialed in 6 countries, is given in 2 doses 3 weeks apart. Older residents and staff in care homes are likely to be prioritized, followed by the health workers and the over 80s. People would be ranked then by the age, the BBC reported. Asked if the vaccine was effective in older people as in younger people, he said he is expected to have a better idea in the next 3 weeks. He said it was not known yet how long the immunity would last after the second dose of the vaccine is given. However, he said a booster immunization should not be too complicated if it is found that the immunity was reduced significantly after 1 year. So Sahin also said that the key side effects of the vaccine seen so far were a mild to moderate pain in the injection site for a few days, while some participants had mild to moderate fever over a similar period. We did not see any other serious side effects which would result in pausing or halting of the study, he added. His vaccine is one of the 11 that are currently in the final stages of testing. Today is a great date for science and humanity. The first set of results from the phase 3 COVID-19 vaccine trial that provides the initial evidence of a vaccine's ability to prevent COVID-19, said Albert Bourla, Pfizer's chairman and CEO, on November the 9th. With today's news, we are a significant step closer to providing people around the world with a much needed breakthrough to help bring this global health crisis to an end, Mr. Bourla said in a statement. The first interim analysis of the global phase 3 study of Pfizer provides evidence that a vaccine may effectively prevent COVID-19. This is a victory for innovation, science, and a global collaborative effect, said Mr. Sahin last week. Thank you for watching.